These are our divisibility notes. So you are going to get these written down. Make sure you do your notation. So a number is divisible by another if there is no remainder. So here we have 12 is divisible by 2 because 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 is not divisible by 5 because 12 divided by 5 would give you 2, remainder 2. A prime number is divisible by exactly 2 numbers, itself and 1. So 2 is a prime number because it's 1 times 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 also is a prime number. It's 1 times 3, or 3 divided by 1 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. The other hand, we have a composite number. It is divisible by more than 2 numbers. 6 is an example of a composite number. 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. Therefore, 6 divided by 1 is 6, 6 divided by 6 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. We say that prime numbers have only 2 factors, itself and 1. What about the number 1? What do you notice about the number 1? It is not prime and it is not composite because it only has one number that it can be divided by, and that's 1. What do you notice about the number 2? 2 is the only even prime number because every other number that can be divided by 2 would be composite, would have more than 2 factors. So I want you to tape the divisibility notes on top of these notes.